We are currently sailing from Barbados to Grenada. We set off last night at midnight, and it's currently midday on the first day. We're going quick, maybe a bit too quick. We're gonna get in the dark. The crew with us. We've got Rob.
Woo! I'm back,
Falmouth.
baby.
He's back. Strings helmet.
Very wobbly.
Ben, David, and we still have Martin. He's sleeping. He's awake. So we did have Mateus and Finya when you last saw, but Finya's gone back to her boat and Mateus has gone back to Europe. So we're down to 6 of us now, and Rob and Martin are both here for 2 weeks. So it's going to be 2 weeks of island hopping.
I've got a fly in my bloody coffee.
Oh. So yesterday, when we were packing the boat and getting ready to leave Barbados and sail to Grenada, my glasses broke straight in the middle, along the ridge of the nose. David fixed them with some super glue and some tape. They broke again today, so I'm fixing them again. And also, while we were getting ready to leave and my glasses were broken and I was blind, I smashed an entire tray of eggs in my rucksack. So it went to a good start, but...
Speaking of eggs, I've eaten a whole pack of mini eggs and feel sick.
We're making progress though, so it's all good. We're about halfway, and hopefully we'll arrive at 8, 9 tomorrow morning. Hey dude, sorry about that.
Land ho!
I don't believe it. Where?
Land! There, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. There, where I'm pointing the GoPro.
I see a little lump.
That's a grenadine.
I see a little lump in the sky.
That's one of the grenadines, and then Grenada's over just like straight off the bow. We're in Grenada. It looks pretty.
We got here at 2:30 in the morning, and we didn't want to go to St George at night for various reasons, so we just anchored in the north Don't know what the space is called. We'll come back and see when we're checked in.
It's like Guayave.
Yeah. So now we're sailing, trying to sail slowly down to St George's to actually check in.
Yeah, it's giving us big to big vibes.
Some people didn't sleep last night, some people slept for 2 days straight.
He's talking
That's
about,
how it goes.
he's talking about this guy.
We've been sailing.
Sometimes you sleep, sometimes you don't. This is just the price you pay.
Yeah, it was fun. We were trying to go as slow as possible and ended up doing a 135-mile day, so.
What's your WhatsApp? Oh, they've got shadow things.
You really look like a pirate today.
Yeah, the pirate look.
We're in Pirates of the Caribbean. We are, that's very true.
Is it a charter?
I think that's what. Ah, yeah, just chilling. It's a fucking cool boat. Yeah, she's a beauty.
That's a nice boat.
Yeah, she's a stunning bird.
A brain damage on the mic, don't match. What do you want?
That's a very wet man.
There's boys.
We're here. Oh, I keep forgetting about this bloody thing. That's so rough. Yeah, we're here. We're in Grenada. We're like only a couple minutes away from St George, where we're going to check in.
Yes, St George.
The wind has died as we come in. We sort of motored just down the coast from our anchorage this morning, and then got a little bit of sailing in, but the wind's gone again. So now everyone's going for a swim.
Kind of wet.
Huh?
Kind of wet up here.
Yeah, be careful. Yee! Crack it. Good stuff.
This guy is crazy.
Oi. That hurt.
Look at his back! He's been going to the gym, dude. Jeez.
It's also red as fuck.
He's also so burnt, and it's his first full day. Yee!
Oh, that's so nice.
Nice.
Jump again? No. We need to go.
Come on.
Stop fucking around, guys. We gotta go.
Guys.
Rob, get out, man. What are you doing?
Fucking see.
Rob, get on the fucking boat, bro.
Oh, he's wet.
Make him wet, boys.
BBB, frigate mode 5. Ta-da! We made it to the world's fanciest marina. It's $52 US dollars a night. We're splitting it 6 ways. There's 6 of us on the boat now, so that's not too bad. It's like £7. The main reason why we've come to a marina is so that we can go check in. It's just super easy. Also to get 6 people off the boat. Our dinghy has still got a hole in it. It's had a hole in it for the last 2 months. It just makes things a lot harder. And it's super windy out there as well. And on the mooring balls, if we had to row in with, you know, a dinghy full of 4 people, it's just been too hard. So we're here. We're in a marina. We're gonna go check in now. Wolf's already gone with the paperwork, and then we're just tidying the boat, and then we're gonna go explore. Go see what there is. See what there is to do in Grenada.
Daddy's gone mad, hasn't he?
It's very similar to Tobago in terms of greenery and houses on the sides of cliffs. Rob obviously hasn't experienced that, so Pirates of the Caribbean, baby. Let's do it. It's beautiful. It's also very warm, so I'm drinking my water. Very warm.
Vlogging.
So far today we have walked around St George's, explored the place a little bit, stopped for many a beer, Spoke to loads of locals, got some recommendations of things to do while we're here. Wilf has just got back from talking to car hire. Tomorrow we might hire a car like we did in Tobago to go do a tour of the island and go see a bunch of things. Tick off loads of stuff in a day, which will be really good. And then over the next few days we're going to head south and go to some coves, which will be super, super cool. Here he is with an update about the car.
Been walking about trying to find a car. No car.
Ah.
2 places are fully booked. I've got a leaflet for some other place from the marina, but it's like a website, so we have to check it out later.
Cool. We can do that. Now that Rob's here, of course, mandatory games of volleyball are going down. Rob's still massively sunburnt, so he's got to wear a shirt. This man's opting for no shirt.
I'm getting naked.
We all just went in the sea and completely forgot you on the beach. But you're coming in with us. As Wilf just said in the last clip, potentially no car tomorrow, so tonight we're going to sit down and make an actual plan, and tomorrow we'll fill you in. But the sun's going down, so we're going to have a swim, cool off after this volleyball. Yay! Oh, you're right. We broke the last GoPro by swimming in the sea. Hello. Are you a fucking dolphin? What the fuck? And off we go. Back to shore. See you later, everyone.